there which is of the goat kidney. Actually the kidney of the human, that is of the width of the 6 centimeter and the length is of the 10 centimeter. So here it is, this kidney is covered with the fat substances are there. Okay, so here what the three layers are there about the kidney, which are the outermost is there, which is a renal fascicle is there, which is made up of thin layer of the fibrous connective tissue, while the middle layer is there, which is of the adipose capsule mass of fatty tissue, which protect the kidney from the shock, so it absorbs the shock. Inner to that, on the layer we observe, that is a renal capsule is there. So this the inner to this layer, which is the renal capsule, which is a smooth, transparent, fibrous membrane. And here what we observe, this is about the pelvis. Okay, so this what the structure is, which is a bean-shaped structure is there. Okay, so this is about the kidney of the goat. Okay, the pair of the kidneys which are present, the function that is excretion, osmoregulation. Okay, so here you can see on the one side, which is the pelvis is there. Okay, so the hilum through which the veins are there. One is a renal artery is there, or the other renal vein is there, as well as ureter is there, where the exit and entry we observe through this. Now this outer covering, which is what we observe, what is here, it is what the thin layer is there. Okay, so inner to that we can see about the innermost renal capsule, which is a smooth, transparent, fibrous membrane, continue to the ureter, which gives a barrier for the infection of the kidney. Now here I am going to cut this. The loudness section I am taking about this kidney. So if you observe that the white transparent whatever capsule is present. So slowly you have to carefully you have to do this, so that we can get all internal parts of the kidney of the different parts, shows the different functions. So here is the hilum is there. So now we are going to continue. So now cut it properly. Yes, now what is the thin layer what we observe? So that is the innermost renal capsule that we'll remove. So this capsule, which just now I said, which continue with the ureter, which gives the protection to the kidney. So here you can observe the reddish brown shaped kidney. Now this which continue with the ureter. Okay, so whatever the urine is there, nitrogenous waste part is there, which comes out through this pelvis. Okay, now we'll cut this. Now as we go on cutting, this is the outer one is there, which is a cortex. Inner to that we observe that the medulla. So first what the renal cortex is there, which is the outer, or we can say the peripheral reddish brown color structure, which is a granular structure, which contain the Malpighian bodies. Okay, if you see that the inner white portion is there, which is forms the calyx. Slowly we cut this. So what we observe in this, we can clearly see the cortex, medulla, as well as the calyx is there. So minor calyx, which forms the major calyx later, and then which continue unite to form the renal pelvis, which is a funnel shaped structure, and which continue as a ureter and leaves the kidney through the door called as the hilus, or we can say the hilum. So you can observe properly, you can get the clear idea. So here we'll see how it is divided into two halves. The cortex structure is there. This I will point out now. You can get the clear idea here. Now this is a pelvis is there. Here this one is a cortex. Here we observe the number of Malpighian bodies are present, as well as the convoluted tubules. Here the pelvis, here the calyx, and then they continue the pelvis. Then these are all medullas are there. Okay, so this medullas, here the calyx is there, which continue with the pelvis, and then it comes out from this kidney and continue with the ureter. So here actually the filtration takes place. Whatever the urea is there, nitrogenous waste part is there, which is a filter through this malphizian bodies. Now here you can see this what are the portion, just now I said about the cortex. Now here we'll see about this. Now I said this about the calyx. Now we'll try to remove this. The loops of Henle's collecting ducts in a conical manner, which forms the pyramids, which forms the renal papillae. Now through this duct, what the nitrogenous waste is collected, and try to open this. You can see how the inner structure is there. Yes, you can see the inner renal papillae also easily. You can observe that. How is the structure, which open into the minor calyx and then to form the major calyx, which unite to form the renal pelvis. You can get a clear idea how the structure. See how these two halves are there, which are separated now.